Reading any soon matter. You get into life when you start reading. Sitting at a place, you visit the world, you visit into the lives of the people, what is the character of the people, your vocabulary response, your word flows.
सुन्दरदन्तिमुखं रुचकेन्द्र सुषट्पगदाभरणं गजनीलगजेन्द्रकरादिकटु प्रणतोऽस्मि विनायकहस्तिमुखम् सुरसुरगणपति सुन्दरकेशं ऋषि ऋषि गणपति यज्ञसमान भव भव गणपति पद्मशरीर जय जय गणपति दिव्य नमस्ते गजमुखवक्त्रं गिरिजापुत्रं गणगुणमित्रं गणपतिमिषप्रियं गणपतिमिषप्रियम्